Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is January 27th and we are looking at the chart of the euro dollars right here. 60 minutes time frame. We are now extending higher within the wave 3 right here. Within wave 3 we subdivide into 5 waves. We have 1, 2, now looking to finish wave 3 of 3 and continues to go higher. So in the meantime, pullback should continue to find support in 3711 and continues to extend higher. Now, as an alternate, I can call with 5 in blue complete here instead of 1 of 5. That could be with 5 and with 3. And what will be the difference? Not too much. If I call it this way, basically what we are going to be looking at is just a little bit bigger pullback. This size here, maybe something like this, right? As a wave 4, right? In 3 swings still, right? Because pullback is always going to be in 3 or 7 swing. So it's in 3 swing before we go higher again. So not really that much of a difference, right? If we are pulling back in the wave 4. But for now, as long as we stay above this one 575, then we do like more upside, right? We do like more upside in the euro dollars. Now let me zoom out a little bit to give you some ideas where we are on the daily time frame. Focus on the minor degree wave 2 here. This is wave 2, so that means this wave 1. Now we just recently broke above this one here, as you can see, and we almost broke above we almost break above this one as well, right? Not yet, but very close. Now if it breaks above this peak on September last year, that will confirm the correction is over and we're not going to be doing any more, you know, double correction like this one. Honestly, it's unlikely that we get something like this. In my opinion, it is not likely. So yeah, so we should just continue to go higher from here, and the next target is going to be 100% extension at least of this 1 2, potentially can go even to. Now we do reach the 100% extension already, more or less. Maybe you can still see a little bit more upside to 119.10 or so, but with 3 potentially can go all the way to even 121, which is the 1.618, right? So that's definitely also a possibility. But yeah, overall we do like more upside in the shorter cycle. Any pullback is gonna be an opportunity to find the dips in 3711 swing. All right, so that's the update for today, guys. And as always, if you want to get more updates on the euro dollars or any other forex, commodities, indices, cryptos, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.